come back 6 months later.
That's right. I do that so I know that the probes are lined up. Because the wire looks like it's lined up, don't mean it is. You got to hit it to make sure.
Occasionally. I mean, there's certainly.
All right, I'm ready to go.
All right, go ahead.